or from anywhere else is not allowed on our aircraft. Well, thank you for your attention, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and please remember that your crew are here to help and ensure that you do have a safe and enjoyable flight with Thomas Cook Airlines to Dalaman.
Oh dear. You know what I did? I just said, right, who wants to come? And everybody said, yeah, of course, I'll put this on the credit card. And then, oh yeah.
Seatbelt securely fastened until our captain has switched the seatbelt signs off.
have a food menu. With drinks, beers, soft drinks, cocktails, spirit, wines. And then we have deals. Then we got sweet snacks, savory snacks, hot drinks. That's like a main course. That's it. So this is a vegetarian meal that we ordered on our flight. And we got juice, muffin, and yogurt. That's the hot food. That's the tea.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to Dalaman. The local time here is approaching 2:10 in the afternoon, and that's 2 hours ahead of the UK time. Can we please ask you to stay in your seats with your seatbelts securely fastened until the captain has switched the seatbelt signs off. Please be careful when you open the overhead lockers in case any bags fall out and hurt someone. Smoking is not permitted, and as you leave the aircraft, will you please check the area around you and above you to ensure you haven't left anything behind, as it is difficult to reunite you with your belongings once you've left the aircraft this afternoon. If you require further assistance, help will be available inside the terminal. So as you will leave us now, may we thank you for flying with Thomas Cook Airlines. We do hope you all have a great holiday here, and we look forward to seeing you in a week or two on your return flight. Thank you everyone, and good afternoon.
Yeah, it's a good thing. Who's that song? Yeah. You need to get off now. Okay, don't have the time. Okay. We should do it. Okay. Mommy, hold on. Okay, you sound so sorry. Excuse me, 6 man.
For those of you that haven't been to Turkey before, it is 3 times the size of the UK and has a population of 73 million. We are 2 hours ahead of home, so the time now is 10 past 3 in the afternoon. So if you would like to adjust your watches and your phones, feel free.
90 minutes in everything.
Marmaris is home to the third largest bazaar. Where
2 hours, a bit 2 hours ahead,
you will
isn't it?
find over 350 shops under the covered bazaar.
Recording from Birmingham to Dalaman, such as boarding, plane spotting, you know the rest. The reason being is this was my first time traveling along with my friend. Normally I travel with my family, so there wasn't much for me to do, but this time I had to do so much, so that's why I didn't vlog that much. So I did, you know, if you see my video, I did record takeoff and landing. I didn't show that much, you know, the cabin as well, because there was nothing much to see in the cabin. And so this is just a short video. Tomorrow I'll be vlogging now, and so let me just tell you, today's journey was from Birmingham to Dalaman, which was for 4-hour journey, and then Dalaman to Marmaris was for a 90 minutes journey in the coach. And then after arriving at Marmaris, like, I was so tired that I couldn't do anything much. So what I did so far was unpack, had dinner, and now I'm gonna sleep now because I have to get up early again because we have a meeting with the other tourists, and the Thomas Cook will decide the activities in Marmaris. So I'll be vlogging tomorrow for you guys, and I hope that you guys enjoyed my flight report. Please like, subscribe for more videos, and comment down below. Thank you and goodbye guys.